Alright, today I want to look at the Hyundai Getz replacement of the bulb. If you just put a small screwdriver in, you should be able to get to a area where you can then open it up like there and there, and then voila, there we go. So now you have the bulbs on two places, and this is the one that doesn't work. So I'm going to quickly take it out. And that's basically what the bulb looks like. And we'll have a look quick. Alright, so I've replaced it. If you now switch it on, and then as you can see, it works. That one off. So yeah, so this is basically a bulb that needs to be replaced. Replace the cover. It's working. It's working. Obviously have both on. Thank you for watching.